Hello there, this is Billy. This is part 2 of the 3-part video that talks about how to create this Ring Variometer Crystal radio. You can visit my blog at the link in the description of this YouTube video for more information. So this is the 3D model I created using Fusion 360, and you can see that the joints are in action. So I created this with a host for the band switch at the side and the headphone. At the bottom, we drill through all the holes for the detectors, crystals, diodes, and MOSFETs. Then there are holes for the pivot of the different gears. We have a small 12-teeth gear as the knob to tune, and then the 16-teeth, 60-teeth bigger spur gear as the ring. You can adjust this parameter, user-defined parameters, to put in the value for different size of your ferrite core to auto-adjust the model generated. So you can go from a small core to a big core, from a thin core to a thick core in just a few steps. But to save your time generating all this, I've created some standard object files for 3 common sizes of ferrite core already in the Thingiverse site, so you can just go there and download. Next, I'm going to show you how I create this one step by step. I will be using the video playback function of Fusion 360 to go through the timeline, and I'll describe with you what happens there. If you want to know how the actual commands to type or press to create all this, visit my other 5-part video for the step-by-step how to design the 3D model for the FM crystal radio. Many of the steps are already listed there. So first we create the baseboard through the holes, put in the 12-teeth gear and the 6-teeth gear for the ring, build a core for the frame, for the coil to be wind on, and then we build the mounts for the ferrite core. And we need to lift it a bit because you need to get some airspace between the ring and the coil. Otherwise, there will be no way for the wire of the coils to go. So once you finish all that, I need to worry about how to get the threads from the coil to go through a bar at the top to go down to the baseboard. So that's it. That's how I created this 3D design. Follow on to part 3 of the video where I show you how you make it. That's all for today. Please click like, subscribe, and share with your friends too. If you like what I'm doing and want to support my work, click on the link in my blog to see how you can support me. Either by buying me a cup of coffee through the PayPal account, subscribing to my Patreon account, or order stuff through my links in eBay and Amazon. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, goodbye.